Best Photoshop version to get. In this lecture, let's talk about what the best Photoshop version is for this course. The short answer is this: anything above CS4 will do. That was launched way back in 2008, but most of what you'll learn can be applied in that version. CS6 is good as well, but I suggest you upgrade to the Creative Cloud release. Adobe now charges as little as $10 per month for Photoshop and Lightroom, but you can also get the complete bundle for as little as $50. These prices may vary depending on your location, by the way. The entire suite contains all of Adobe's programs: Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Audition, Muse, InDesign, and the list goes on and on. That's what I personally use because it's incredible value for that sum. But if you're not planning on using all these programs, then stick with the cheaper plan. Just to be clear, for the purpose of this course, all you need is Photoshop, so none of those other programs like Illustrator, Premiere Pro, or After Effects. What's fantastic about CC, the Creative Cloud version, is that you get all the newest improvements and bug fixes for free. Right now, the latest version is Photoshop CC 2017. Previously, I had CC 2015.5 installed, but when the new version came out, I clicked on one single upgrade button and that was it. CC 2017 contains loads of awesome features that you'll miss out on if you're stuck with CS6. In case you're not sure how to get Photoshop, you can head over to adobe.com and create a free account. Afterwards, you can download a free 30-day trial. That's more than enough time to watch this course several times and get the most out of it. If you want to find out what's changed from CS6 all the way to CC 2017, I suggest you visit this link that's attached to this lecture. You'll see the most important updates throughout these 10 releases of Photoshop. Finally, don't worry if you're using a different operating system. I'll guide you through the program on a Windows machine, but I attached a hotkey equivalent chart to this lecture for Mac users. Besides swapping Control with Command, Alt with Option, and a few other hotkeys, everything is the same, so don't worry about it. Let's get started.